Warren Buffett says he never wants to be out of the stock market. And one stock the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway has faith in is Apple. Well, shares of Apple climbed today, reaching a market cap of $800 billion in trading, making the world's most valuable publicly traded company worth even more. Becky Quick interviewed Mr. Buffett this morning following his company's annual meeting this weekend in Omaha.
There's a lot that Warren Buffett says he doesn't know when it comes to stocks. He says he doesn't know where the market will close today. He doesn't know where it will close a year from now, and he doesn't know where interest rates are headed either. But there is one thing that he is certain about, and that is that stocks are a better investment than bonds.
I would say this: anybody that prefers bonds today to stocks is making a big mistake. I've been saying that year after year after year. Now, I won't say that under all circumstances, but it is ridiculous, in my view, for somebody to buy a 30-year bond, in some countries 50-year bonds and so on, at these rates, in preference to buying stocks. Stocks will bounce around a lot more, and they can go down 50%. But a 30-year bond can go down 50% too at these rates. And bonds are a terrible choice against stocks.
He also spent a lot of time at the shareholders meeting talking about a subject that he rarely touches on in there or has touched on in the past, and that is technology. He says that Amazon is a great company, but he wouldn't buy the stock right now. He said he missed that one. However, Apple is a different story.
The shares, when we bought them at least, were much more reasonable in relation to current earnings. Apple didn't have to do a lot better in the future than they were doing at the current time. When you get into a Google and Amazon, you're paying for the future more, but they may well have a better future. I mean, that may be more than justified. And Apple, I wouldn't say it's easier for me to understand than Google now, perhaps, or Amazon now. Certainly would have been 5 years ago. It's amazing where Apple's ended up with consumers. I mean, I can very easily determine the competitive position of Apple now and who's trying to chase them and how easy it is to chase them.
For Nightly Business Report, I'm Becky Quick in Omaha.